Make sure you've got your safety equipment. Make sure you've got a hatchet and some wedges. Now this tree is a fairly straight tree, so it's not leaning hard. However, it does have a little bit of a lean that direction. One thing I always recommend is to walk around the tree and look up. Most of the branches are on this side, which is convenient in this case because that's the direction I'd like for the tree to fall. Use the sights on your saw to line up the first cut. This cut is 1/3 of the tree in an angle, and this is what aims the tree in the fall. Once you've cut your wedge 1/3 of the way through the tree, double check your aim and make sure that it's a clean cut. So you'll see I've got about 1/3 of the tree cut in the direction that I'm going. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in from the back side. Start just slightly above that front cut and cut through until you're leaving about 10% of the wood between the wedge on the front side and the flat cut on the back side. This is what's going to cause the tree to start tipping towards the heavier side. Clear the area by moving uphill in a diagonal direction and watch the tree as it falls.
I understand that you're excited, you're eager, you're ambitious, you're ready to get into cutting things with your chainsaw. Please go out, get some chaps, get a helmet with a visor and ear protection, get some gloves. With that being said, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If there's an idea for a video that you have in mind or something that you'd like to see, let us know in the comments down below. I love you, and I hope that you have a blessed day.